The reality today is that millions of kids growing up in poverty do not have the same opportunities to get an education as kids growing up in more affluent communities, and this is unacceptable. Our collective future, your future, my future, is tied to the futures of every single student in a classroom in this country. And if we want to have a strong country again, if we want to build to a more prosperous and a more competitive future, we have to ensure that every single kid can reach their full potential. It's not someone else's responsibility. It's not someone else's problem. It's our responsibility, and it's our obligation, and it's our privilege to work to make sure that all kids have the opportunities to get a great education. And that's why now more than ever, we need every single one of you to get involved in the effort.